Hi there, Dwayne from Spec Car Motorsports, and once again I'm joined with Ian Ripe from Continental Tires. Awesome, thanks for having you here.
Glad to be here.
So you brought a couple tires for us to look at today. We have the TS850P, and then we also have the Viking Contact 7. I was hoping that you could tell us a little bit about each of these tires. How about we start with the 850?
Perfect. So both these tires are our complete winter tire lineup. Let's start with the TS850P. This is our CUV SUV winter tire. This tire is H&V speed rated, which is really designed for some of the higher performance SUVs we see in the market, Audi, Mercedes, Cadillac, as well as some of our performance sedan market. So this is the tire that we really recommend for those applications. It has some of our latest technology for compounding as well as siping. It's a directional tire, so it's going to give you a lot of snow and slush evacuation, but this is our tire that's really designed for those performance SUVs that you guys service here at Spec Car Motorsports. So this is, if you're in the market for that type of tire for that vehicle, this is what we want to recommend.
Fantastic. So over here I noticed on the Viking Contact 7 we have a really interesting tread design. Can you give us a little bit of a walkthrough on the tread design?
Absolutely. This is our brand new winter tire, broad line. It's our T-rated tire, so it's your broad line tire. It has a directional, quite unique tread design. There's nothing in the market that's like it, but it is the latest compounding. It's designed to really get rid of the slush and snow and give you that confidence that our customers are looking for in the market down here in Calgary. One thing I like to add too is that the siping, all these nice little cuts in here that give you that traction, go all the way down to the bottom of the tread block, so the consumer is going to have the same grip from the day they bought it all the way down till when the tire is worn out.
Certainly adds that value to dollar. So are both of these tires covered in the Total Confidence Plan?
Absolutely. That's another great feature that we do. There's no extra cost to the Total Confidence Plan. It comes included with both these tires, so customers can have worry-free driving when you consider that they come with road hazard and roadside assistance.
Awesome. Well, they're a couple of beautiful tires. Great. Thanks again for joining us, Ian.
Thank you very much.
Always glad to see you.
Perfect.
Hi there, I'm Dwayne.
And I'm Wayne. We're with Spec Car Motorsports.
And this is our YouTube channel.
Hit it, boys.